Hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up sets of gears for PvP, Pve, boss etc. You can have for different setups. Let's make one for area ops. Here I'm choosing my best helmet and armor that have the right F+ for Pve. I'm choosing the best helmet and armor with the right F+ for .pve. You can choose the shield and the auxiliary melee also. On the right side is the weapons. Handled weapon is the weapon you will be handling when you switch to this setup. As you can see, I've chose my melee and there's the 6 slots of weapons. You will put 0.6 of the weapons you want to have on the area up setup. In one of the slots I'm adding my snow rifle. I will set it up for ops. In this page you can set up the belt and the mimicry for the weapon there are different crusade ops that need different cores, so you should set up for each type of crusade the countering core. Here I'm setting up the belt and core for the fire core. You don't have to use the same chips as me. Choose what's best for your account. So this gun is finished now. Now I'm gonna set up the sniper. I don't really use it, but it's just an example. Now we do the same thing with this gun too. We choose the chips and mimicry and core for each crusade type. Now I'll set up the M gun. Same thing all over again for all 6 of your guns. Flamethrower, sniper, Howie rifle, shotgun, whatever you choose to have in your slots. If you scroll further down you'll see your drones. You can choose which drones you want in your hangar for ops. I'm gonna replace one of my PvP drones for a Pve drone. So now I'm done with my area ops setup. Earlier I made a setup for PvP, and now I have one for Pve. I'm gonna show you how the switching works. You can read it here. area operations, and competitive combat.pv and PvP. Now look how the guns, armors, helmets, drones, chips, everything changes in a second, as soon as you switch between the setups. Look, it's the area op setup that we made. Same guns, same drones and chips. You can create more setups for Camp Boss, Peril Showdown, or any other events that you usually do. Look how easy it becomes to change from PV to PvP to boss setup to anything that you set up. This is my PvP setup. TV, Ops setup, Boss setup. Note that sometimes, when you use the same core for PvP and PV, you will need to change the core manually. Only the core though, everything else is automatic. I hope this will make the game easier for you. Thank you for watching.